Case Study: Recommendations for Betts Company, Team 1. A little bit of background on Betts Company. They have 150 years of innovation by improving the way things move. Since 1868, Betts Company has been a family-owned business. They are top industry leaders and specialize in heavy-duty transportation, industrial spring manufacturing, and automotive truck parts and services. They currently operate 8 truck parts stores, 2 manufacturing locations, 1 plant, and have approximately 300 employees. Betts Company is looking to improve their current methods of recruiting new employees and communicating announcements and messages between departments and locations. Betts Company has difficulty recruiting new employees and is trying to find individuals that are qualified in diesel automotives and are knowledgeable in heavy-duty truck parts and services. The second challenge within Betts Company is communicating announcements and clarifying miscommunications between departments and locations. Betts is looking to enhance new company policies and procedures for recruiting and communications. Our team recommendations for recruiting are to offer internships and hire social media experts. Additionally, our recommendations for communication is to implement company-issued iPads to management positions and walkie-talkies to employees. Subsequently, we also recommend new and current employee training within each recommendation category. When looking to consider, Betts Company can seek to recruit young people and offer first-hand experience through internships. They are relatively low cost and company can offer stipends. This will also add fresh new ideas and perspectives to the company. Betts Company can send a representative from their Portland, San Leandro, and Phoenix locations to speak with an advisor at Portland Community College, College of Alameda, and Arizona Automotive Institute to express their interest in participating at each college career center and career fairs to offer diesel mechanic students internships and job opportunities. The associated costs with each internship and job opportunity will be based on location and will start at minimum wage. Our proposal is for Betts to partner with these local colleges and offer students from each location 600 hours within a 6-month paid internship at minimum wage. Once each student has completed the internship and all job requirement criteria, Betts recruiting staff can employ the qualified intern and continue to offer their new employee minimum wage for a 90-day probation period. After those 90 days end, recruiting staff can offer a salary increase. The company itself does not have many followers on social media. A social media expert would increase followers and company exposure. According to Lee, the associated cost is low because entry-level employees and interns can perform this task. The social media expert can be an intern or a hired employee. This will be little to no cost to the company with a very big result. We interviewed a former UTI student, Michael Gamez, and he mentioned that the only jobs he considered were the ones that offered training and a job. To ensure the loyalty of the students who receive the training, Betts can set up a contract. If the student remains loyal, Betts Company will make the money back that was spent on the student within the first year since the employee has proper training. They do not have to waste money reaching out to other employees that don't even have background with the company. If the student does not stay, the student will return the money that was used for training. To help reduce miscommunication within the company and each of the locations, we recommend the implementation of iPads to management positions. Mandatory company email addresses will be issued to allow Betts Company to send the exact same updates, newsletters, and messages to all branches and stores in the company. Each branch and store can also share information within their sector as well. Another recommendation we have is implementing walkie-talkie phones. There is a customized plan that includes 250 members. The customized plan allows instant communication with one another, enables fast mobile communication, implements LTE or internet use, and many more usages. We will distribute the walkie-talkies through the locations. Each employee will check out the walkie-talkie when they show up to work and return the walkie-talkie at the end of the day. We recommend holding a training session in order to have all of the management and employees on the same page and knowing how to use the iPad and walkie-talkies correctly and efficiently. We also recommend having the employees take a test to see if they're up to par with the functions of the iPad and walkie-talkie. They should do a retraining if the technology is updated and/or changed. Some other miscommunication problems that are often found in companies is communication between employees and their managers. Therefore, we recommend an open door policy for managers. It should be tracked to see if employees actually feel heard. Having some type of recognition event or formal recognition wall will boost employee morale and retention. The TV in the break room can also be used to play flyers or notices about the important company information. Information such as how to send an email, new policies, or upcoming meetings can be used. It is also important to both organize and declutter the bulletin boards, often so they are aesthetically pleasing to catch the attention of the reader. With all the information being sent through phones, newspapers, and papers, it is important to know if it is being read. This is why anonymous surveys should be sent to see if the employees are getting the right information and if they are reading the information. If not, it is important to know why and try to fix them. To conclude, Betts is a top industry leader with 150 years of innovation. Their vision is to improve the way things move. Therefore, our team's primary focus is to offer several recommendations that can be used by Betts Company to improve the way things move within their organization to improve their recruiting and communication methods. The recommendations offered by our team for recruiting and communication issues are internships with job ads, social media experts, the integration of iPad devices, employee walkie-talkies, and training for new and existing employees. Overall, Betts can be better and enhance their organization through technological advances, employee training, and consistent communication. Thank you, and these are our references.